Hello everyone. Very warm welcome to another session conducted by Olymp Trade broker. I hope you guys are doing great and having fun on our platform. You are able to make some extra bucks. So my name is Kunal. I'm a financial expert, and today I'm going to take care all of your trading concerns, trading journeys, and I'm sure that you are ready to learn a new strategy also. The name of the strategy, as you guys have already checked in the description, the name is Barcode. It's a very aggressive and very aggressive strategy, like which will help you to open multiple trades in a very short span. So those who are very keen into getting fast profit, and you are those who are very aggressive while making some trades, so this is something for them. So today we are going to talk about that one, and apart from that I'll be also giving some information about some basic concepts but which are very important, something like risk management, money management, and then there is a market news at 6 p.m. IST which was related to NFP. So I am sure that a few of my friends, they have taken the benefit of that opportunity, and those who are not aware that aware about that thing, I'll be giving some information for sure, because this is a data which is getting released every Friday, every first Friday of every month at 6 p.m. IST. So this is not something like which you have missed and you are not going to get it again. This is an opportunity which comes every month. So of course you can learn about it, you can observe the market, you can check a few past data for reference, and then you can apply it in future. So we will be starting this session hardly within 2 minutes. So those who have already joined, guys, please share the link of this webinar, this session, with your friend, with your dear ones, so we can connect with as many people as we can, and then we will be able to help them with their trading concerns. And one thing, that live chat session has been already open, so the chat box is already open for you guys. So if you feel any queries, any doubt, guys, feel free to write anything over there. I would love to help you with your concerns, with your trading concerns, because see guys, this is only 1 hour session, so I'm not sure like whether we are going to cover everything. So we will only be talking about the trading concerns. If you will be having deposit withdrawal verification concerns or anything like that, if you need any help regarding that, feel free to contact the support team. Here I'll be talking about only the trading part. And guys, in comment section, please confirm me if my voice is clear, if that is audible and my screen is visible. We will hardly wait 1 more minute, and then we will dive into it. We will do some action, we will make some money, we will learn a new strategy, and I'm sure you guys are excited about it. And also I'm sure guys, you guys are aware that this is our new channel, Olymp Trade Practice. So now all these sessions are going to be conducted on a single platform, on a single channel, so that will be more easy for you guys to get all the information at one place. So we will be starting hardly within 1 minute. And guys, also one more thing, like I would love to know about your last trading session, like how was your last week, like whether you were able to make some profits, or like if you were facing some difficulties or any issues was there, feel free to write into the comment section, so I will be taking those also. And during this session I'll be talking about different scenarios, different market condition, and of course we are going to do some live trading as well, so you can have a better picture. So we will be starting the session within 30 more seconds, and then we will dive into. Okay guys, so welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am your financial expert working for Olymp Trade broker. So these are some of the sessions which we are conducting to help our traders in their trading journey. So during these sessions we are talking about different concepts, different strategies, taking your concern to help you with your trading journey. And this is our new channel, Olymp Trade Practice. So please subscribe it, so you can join us in future session. Also you can have benefit out of that. You can get your trading concerns resolved, and you can make some extra bucks. So before starting this session, I'll just give a small piece of information, that you guys are, must be already aware that this financial market, this is a bit risky, guys. There is a chance of partial and fully amount loss. So always take some precautions while trading. All the trades which I am going to take during this session, all are based on my practice, which I have done or which I am doing and I am going to do from last couple of years, and of course for next couple of years. So what I am trying to say, that whenever you are going to take some trades, do some practice on your demo account, try to implement your strategies, try to get best out of it, then invest your funds. Second thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap, like there is a gap from 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open at 6:36 p.m. IST, that will be visible to you at 6:36.30 second or at 6:37. So guys, make sure you do not focus on copy trading, because I don't want you to face even a single negative results during this session. But there is one opportunity when I am talking about any strategy. Of course you can guide me that in specific asset there is a signal, so of course I'll be opening that trade for you guys, and that is going to help you also, because without risking even a single penny, you are going to take that trade, and of course we will check whether your analysis was correct or not. So without wasting any time, we will just kick off the session. So as you guys already aware, I have already mentioned the name of the strategy is Barcode. I will tell you that how we can apply it. So the screen which is visible to you guys, this is a screen from my laptop from the application version. So I will just go on this tower, the third button with the name of technical analysis. I will click on this one, go to the strategies, scroll a bit down, here we go. So this is the Barcode strategy. What is saying, it's a advanced level strategy, name of the strategy, and the trading mechanism on which you can apply this strategy. This is the FTT strategy, means fixed time trade. I'll click on this one. So there is a piece of information available, there is a small video available in case in future if you forget anything, if you want to revise anything, just open this video and you will be able to check. There is a small information visible at this place also. This is just showing that how this strategy works, and this is the name of the oscillator which we are going to use. It's demarker. I'll just click on enable strategy and boom, here we go. So as the name suggests, Barcode, I'll just show you why it's called Barcode. See guys, if I'll just scroll a bit out, if I'll zoom it out, we can see that there is a, like we can see this is something similar to the barcode which is visible on the price tag when you are going to mall or for any shopping. There is something like visible like this one, and that is called barcode. So on that basis, the name of this strategy is also Barcode. And as we are using only one indicator in that one, so that is very easy to use also. But my friend, those who are on starter level, so no need to worry about like how we are going to use this strategy, how we will be able to utilize it. Nothing to worry, guys. Just look at here. The frequency of demarker is 1. So I'll just go there again. I'll just search and look for demarker. I'll click here and boom. But why I have asked you to check the frequency, because the by default the frequency of that specific oscillator is 14, but we need it 1 only. So just click on this. You can change it manually, or you can do it, adjust it with plus minus also. So I'm sure you guys getting my point, how to apply this strategy manually also, and how you can apply it from the strategy bar. Now we'll talk about how we can use this strategy. So this is very simple. I'll just show you. So in this strategy, the suggested time frame is, like for the trade, is 1 minute, and the chart time frame is also 1 minute. How we can use it? So if I zoom in a bit, we can see that the oscillator, the D marker, what is stating that there are 3 levels: 0.70, 0.50 and 0.30. 0.50 is the base level. So the 51, all the signals which are above 50 are going to give an indication that the market can go into a upward direction. The indications below 0.50 is going to give the signals in the vice versa direction. But now how it works more deeply, if we want to dive into, I'll give you a bit more information. So guys, there are a couple of more precautions which we will be taking. First thing, we are going to focus on these green bars, these green stars. If this star is above 0.50, upward direction, down on the below 0.50, downward direction. Now precautions. First thing, the length of this bar should be complete. It should not be like a very small one. I'll just show you an example. See this one, this one, this one, this one, this very small one. It should be the complete lengthy bar. Second thing, this signal should appear within first max to max 20 seconds. If 15 seconds, that is more than, like, more good, but max to max it should appear within first 20 seconds. By that I mean to say, if the completion of candle is still pending by 40 seconds or more than that, then we will consider that signal and we will open a trade. Otherwise we will drop it. And guys, no need to rush for this strategy. Ample of signals are going to be there, guys, trust me, ample. All you just need to wait for the perfect one. If you find that signal is a bit old, or like we can't rely on that one, drop it. Nothing to worry. We are going to get a lot of signals. We will be able to take more trades, and that is going to help you with that. So we will look for more signals, and I will just start taking some trades also, as I have already took 2 trades. And guys, as I have already mentioned, the suggested time frame for the trade is 1 minute, and suggested time frame for the chart is also 1 minute. Okay, so we will look for some more signals, because in this one I'm not sure like whether we will be able to do some back testing, because see, once this bar is generated, we can't assure that at what level, at what time that specific bar was generated. So we will not be able to do back testing. So we have to rely on the present market. But one more thing, as we are always mentioning during our session, that always go with the flow. Means your trend is your friend, so always take a trade when there is a trend. As we can see that there was upward, then downward, then again see there is a signal, but I am not going to open a trade because the completion was about that candle was about to get completed within 30 seconds. So I am sure you guys are getting what I am trying to say, what I am trying to convey. But in case if any doubt is there, guys, comment section is open for you guys. Feel free to write all your doubts, all your concerns, and I am more than happy to take all your comments. And also guys, mention like how was your last trading session, whether you were able to make some profit or not, so I'll be able to help you with your concerns. So take maximum benefit out of it. This is 1 hour. This 1 hour is only for you guys, just only to guide you guys that how you can make some extra bucks from our platform. Okay, so we will look a few more signals. And guys, one more thing, I will repeat myself again. Do not try to do some copy trading, try to avoid this. And the second thing, if you find any signal, feel free to write into the comment section. If I'll check at the same time, of course I will open a trade for you guys, just to have your more clarity about that thing. Okay, so let's look for something more. Okay, so there is a new candle, just formation has happened. So okay, boom. See guys, in this one, the more quick you are, the better you are going to grab the opportunity. But one more thing, guys, I want to tell you that no such strategies are available into the market, those who are going to give you assurance or surety that you are going to get 100% result. There is no such strategies. It is a reality, and believe it, we are also getting negative results. So it's not like that this strategy is not good, or like we are not enough good enough to take utilize that strategy. What I am always trying to say, that whenever you are getting a strategy, practice it. Okay, so practice that strategy, try to get a hold on that one, because there is a possibility that the strategy which you are going to use might be you will be able to make some profit, but might not be able, and it could go vice versa also. So whenever you are taking a strategy into action, open couple of trades in demo, try to get a hold on that. It's possible that you are going to be a warrior with a sword, and I am going to be a warrior with an arrow. Means it depends on our capabilities also, our hold as well. So always practice your strategy, try to get better and better in that one, and then be the best one. Okay, so we will wait for a few more seconds. And guys, in this one you will find one thing, that on every new candle there is going to be an opportunity, there is going to be a chance for a new signal. So it's not like that you have to wait for some specific RSI or SMA or EMA to intersect each other. Like within with first 20 seconds you will be able to get it whether there is a signal or not. Okay, so this signal, that was a bit risky because that was on a very last second, but I have to take couple of trades, so you will be able to check all these scenarios to avoid negative results. Let's see our last couple of trades. Okay, so our last two trades were not positive, one was positive. Let's see, like this 2 minute was opened by mistake, so I will look for the 1 minute one. Okay, so there was a market reversal, and in fact there was a doji candle also, so of course there would be a reversal, should be there. No worries, we will try to recover these funds. We have a couple of RFTs also, so no worries. Okay, let's see a few more trades. Okay, so this signal is a bit old, so we are not going to dive into, and we will look for a new one. Okay, so anything else is there? Guys, feel free to write into the comment section. I'm about to go there. I can see that there is no much comments, so guys, make sure, make some noise, get your queries done, get your queries resolved. Feel free to write anything. Okay, so this signal was there. Oh, we are a little late, but no worries, we will look for more. And guys, as you can see that I am just keep on opening back to back trades. You have to avoid this situation. Always focus on your first one trade, check the result. After that, make some moves, like whether you want to apply risk management, money management, whether you want to utilize your use your martingale. So make sure once the result is there, then apply all those things. I have to open back to back trades because this is a very small session, hardly 1 hour is there, so I have to guide you guys. I have to take couple of trades, so that will that should be more clear to you guys, but you have to avoid this situation. So till that last trade is on a run, so let me check couple of comments. I can see that there is no much noise in the comment section, so guys, feel free to write your comments, feel free to write anything, whatever your doubts. Okay, so Bharat said yes sir, we know that, so let's start trading. Of course sir, we are going to take couple of trades. Mohammed ji is asking to this session in Urdu. So Mohammed Faizan, I just want to tell you that this session is going to be in English only, but we are also conducting session in Hindi and Urdu. These are conducted on every Monday and Thursday, sorry, and the timing is 7 to 8 p.m. IST. So please subscribe this channel, so you will be getting the notification of that also, and you will be able to join. This is going to be the same channel, but the communication is going to be in Hindi and Urdu on Tuesday and Thursdays. Timing is 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, so Shanwaz is saying it will be going uptrends. Sir, I'm not sure like which asset you are talking about. Please confirm me. So I'll be taking some trades on your behalf. And now, okay, so there is again a signal. Let's see our last trade. Okay, so that was also about to go negative. This trade is going into the positive side. No worries. And guys, one more thing, like there is a possibility that we will be getting a lot of negative results during this session, because this is a time when the New York session is about to start. Like most of people might be aware about that one, but if you are not aware about that thing, New York session means the US market is about to get open. So the US market, it opens at 7 o'clock, and I believe, as per my experience, what I have observed most of the time, like when US market is about to open, so there is more fluctuation as compared to the Asian session and the London session, the European market. So that is the reason why most of the trading is prior to 6 o'clock, because most of the time what we find that there are some rumors into the market, or there are some actual news into the market which affect the market, and it start affecting the market before it opens up. This is something similar to the Indian market also, that we start getting some rumors that this company got merged, or something had happened, or something like this and that. And once the market is open, then a couple of news, those who are rumor, those get removed from. And those who are going to affect the market, of course they are going to create some fluctuation, but that is hardly going to be for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then the market is going to observe that fluctuation, and they are going to be in a single flow. So that is the reason that the trading from 6:30 to 7:30 or max to max till 8, that is a bit more crucial, that is a bit more risky, which I believe. So always try to avoid these trading durations. But if you want to take some trades, if you have a good hold on your trading, of course you can go, but this is one of my suggestion that you can avoid. And still, if you think that no sir, we want to try to grab the opportunities, we want to make some extra bucks, we want to have a chance, then of course you can go. But what I can suggest is always try to go with the small investment. What I'm trying to say is apply your risk management. Just suppose like during this 1 hour, if you are going to open 20 trades, and out of those 20, take it all 20 are negative. It should not happen, but just suppose if all 20 are negative, so if the trade amount is $1, then maximum it is $20, which you can recover easily. But if it is $100 each, guys, that is going to be 2,000, and that is going to affect you a lot. So I'm sure you guys are getting my point, what I'm trying to say. and I believe that is also one of the reason that we are conducting these sessions during these periods, so you can have an opportunity to grab some information. Okay, let's see how's our last trade. Okay, boom, very nice. So we were able to make a profit during this fluctuating session, so I'm happy with that. Let's do some more action, guys. And guys, if you are facing any difficulties, feel free to write down into the comment section. I can see that not much activity is there, so I'm sure that either you guys are not liking the session or you guys are not liking me, but still, if that is the fact, write it down there. So we will consider these things, we will try to improve the things. Okay, so let's look for some more signals. Okay, so this signal is a bit fresh. Okay, so this signal is like, even though that was in, within the window, but there is a possibility that the signal popped up a little early and we missed it. So okay, so there is a comment from my one of my friend Minar. So today's NFP news was awesome. Of course, sir, that was something, and it like, of course, I missed that opportunity to open a trade because I was doing something very important, but I saw that news afterwards and I found that there was a huge fluctuation and I found something very nice in that one, guys. See, let me show you that what was there. So if I open USD JPY itself only, okay, so the news was somewhere at 6 o'clock. Okay, so here we go. So guys, see, here we can see that the NFP data was into the negative side, so of course there was a drop, and after that the market collected itself again into the flow, and again it came into the trend, and then those who have opened a trade in both the direction, of course they were able to make some profits, because whether they went in it went into the negative side, of course there was a profit opportunity, and those who have opened into the upward direction, of course they would have made some extra bucks as well. And this happened only like hardly within a fraction of hardly 7 to 8 minutes, and within that 8 minutes you, of course, you would be able to make some good numbers. And this is an opportunity which is coming every month, guys, every month on first Friday at 6 PM IST. This data is getting released, and if you want to check that one, if you want to learn about that one, of course you can dive into, and the website which I can suggest is that is investing.com, or you can also follow Yahoo Finance. I'm sure you will be able to get a lot of information about that one. Okay, so and on that one, on investing.com, there is a button like it's in the center with the name of economic calendar. Guys, just try to observe the market for a couple of times, and then you will be able to get a hold on that how that market reacts. And when you will be checking the data, just do me a favor, go to the filter section and apply a filter on 3-star, because that is the most useful information which is going to be more helpful to make some extra money, and that is going to be having more effect as compared to others. So again I'll repeat the website names. The one is Yahoo Finance, second one is investing.com. Let's see the last trade. Okay, so that is also into the negative side, no worries. So guys, you can see that we are also facing negative results, but one thing you can see that I have a couple of bucks in my account, but still I am going with some small trades, because that is the risk management which always suggesting you to go with some small amounts, because I know this is a very volatile period. I am going to face some negative results, So just to be on a safer side, I am ready to face those results, but I don't want to get much effect of them. If I'll be taking a trade $100 each or $200 each, and if those are going to be into the negative side, of course that is going to take a lot of time to recover. But if that is $10, $20, of course that is a big amount, but that is manageable. So this is what risk management is always stating. Always go with slow amounts, because trading is like a marathon, guys. Don't take it as a sprint, because earlier you will start the higher speed you are going to have. Of course you are going to surpass so many people, you are going to make huge profit, but there is going to be one situation when you are going to be, you know, out of your breath, and then you have to stop. And out of breath means out of funds. So at that time, that is going to create some difficult situation. So take it as a marathon, hold your breath, go with the flow, go with the trend. Trend is your friend, guys. Okay, so let me see if we have more comments. Okay, so guys, I can see that you guys are not active at all, but no worries, feel free to write anything if you will find any difficulties. And okay, so yeah, Mr. Minar, I missed it, but no worries, like we are going to have it in the future. Okay, so Pankaj Bardoji is saying, I have tried this strategy today and turned my 2000 into 1200. Now I know what my mistake was. We should not trade after 20 seconds. It was not mentioned on the Olymptrade demo video. Sir, see, that is the reason that there are so many information. There is so much deep dived information which comes with the experience only. It's not mentioned anywhere that you have to use this strategy within first 20 seconds, but this is something which we have observed, which we have come up to. We have tried this strategy. If you talk about me itself, personally, I have opened thousand and thousand trades on demo with this strategy, and then I have come up with some things that the length of this tower, this bar should be complete. That should be more as compared to the small one. It should be within 20 seconds. If that is within 15 seconds, that is much more better. Of course, you might be finding some analysts, those who will be giving you some another information, because they have used the same sword but in some another manner. But I am happy that you got it, that you didn't miss that opportunity. You got the opportunity to get what exactly need to be done, and I am sure that you will be able to recover those funds and make some bucks. Okay, so we can see that there is so much fluctuation, guys, too much fluctuation. Our last trade was positive, but still we are getting some, you know, too much market consolidation is happening. After every 3 or 4 candles, we can see that there is a trend reversal. Every now and then there is, you know, the consolidation is happening again. We are stuck into that, but no worries. Let's reduce the trade amount and try to get a hold on the strategy first. We can do it on demo also, but for you guys, I will just take trades on my live. Okay, so there is going to be a signal. Wait. So it's 50, 49, 48, 47. Okay, so market reversal again is there. Now we don't need any signal on this asset for next at least 38 seconds, because it's old enough. Okay, so Yashji is saying that he want to have a session in Hindi. I'm so sorry, sir, but like this time duration is only for the English session. But if you want to have a session in Hindi, of course the same channel is available, but the availability of this Hindi section, this Urdu session are going to be on Tuesday and Tuesday and Thursday, and the timing is going to be 7 to 8 p.m. IST. So please subscribe the channel, guys. This is a new channel, so please subscribe it. We want your support. We want to get connected with us, so we will be able to connect with you guys every week, every now and then, so we will be able to guide you with that. So you can subscribe the same channel, Olymp Trade Practice, and on this channel you are going to find all the sessions in different languages also. The timing is there. You can also check the playlist, so you can sort it on your language preference. If you want it in English, Thai, Portuguese, Hindi, everything is going to be there at one place, one stop. Everything is going to be available for you. Okay, so let's see the last trade. I was expecting the same. It was supposed to go into the negative because we already found that there was a market reversal, but no worries, we will look for some more signals. Okay, so this signal is pretty new. Even though we missed it, there was an opportunity that we can open this trade a few seconds ago, but no worries. But you guys have to always take care of these things, guys. Like there is an old saying that never rush to catch a running train. This is something similar. Don't go into the market, don't dive into the market when the candle, that signal is a bit old or it has been already found, because if we would have opened a trade at that place, there was more chances to go into the positive side, but this is a risk which we have taken. But it's $5, so of course we will be able to recover it. Okay, let's see a few more, and then again I will dive on your comment section, guys. Okay, so this signal, I feel that there is going to be a signal into the downward direction, but we will wait for it. We will wait for the confirmation, then we will open a trade. Okay, and in fact we should avoid this signal also, because see guys, we can see if I'll zoom out, so there is something like a market consolidation. It's like a flat market, or we can see that red green, red green, red green, red green. So this is like a flat market. It's like a market consolidation. So I will not dive into this. And guys, this is one of the best strategy, because what I believe, by avoiding some negative trades, by avoiding some losses, the money which you could lose but you haven't because you didn't took that trade, that is also a profit. Of course you can utilize it for some another trades, and of course there is no mental pressure on your mind that you have to recover it, or such scenarios are not there. So that is also something like your profit if you are avoiding a negative trade. So take care of that thing, keep that thing in your mind, so things will be better for you. Okay, so till the signals are going to be there, and we will just go with a small introduction about this platform also, those who are new to the platform. So I'll just I'll not be going to give a complete tour, because that is going to take a lot of your time, and I know your time is also precious. So of course I'll be giving you some basic information which is going to help you. So this is the trade section. Once I'll click that one, I will be able to check all my trade history, whatever I have done today or in the past, the profit I have made. So this is as per the trade mechanism, the fixed time, the forex, and the stocks. This is one of the main tab which we are going to utilize, and this is the second one, help section. Guys, support is to get some help regarding your deposit withdrawal verification. You can connect support team, and then help center, trading tutorial and education. That is majorly for those who are new on the platform, how to make a deposit, withdrawal, verification, how the candles work, how candles formation is doing, getting done. Everything is here. You will be able to get that much information which can help you to be a trader who is able to make some profits. And apart from that, if you are new to the trading, I can suggest you one website also, guys. The name of the website is Investopedia. So in Investopedia, just go into the search section, look for the candle patterns, candle formation, price action you can look for, and I'm sure that you will be able to get a lot of information. And if I'll talk about price action itself, like that is a very small topic which is hardly going to take 30 minutes to 60 minutes, and you will be able to get a grab on that one. And with support and resistance, like as per my experience, if you are using only support and resistance on indexes, you will be able to make some good results. But again, one thing I'll repeat again, that always practice these things on demo first. If you feel that you are not getting a kick, you are not getting, you know, spice while trading on demo, of course, like most of the traders are saying that, sir, there is no motivation of profit and there is no threat of losses, so we do not feel something, you know, when while we are trading on demo. So of course you can trade on live as well, but what I can suggest is keep your trading invested amount as least as possible, because that is the practice session, practice time when you are learning. So try to avoid big trades, because I don't want you to face some negative results on your big amounts, because the strategy you can learn with a $1 trade also, and the same with $20, $50, $200. Okay, so we have a comment from Pankaj, sir, will this strategy also work on Saturdays and Sundays? Of course, sir, like there is no such strategy like which is applicable on the basis on the day. You can use it on any trading session, any day, it is going to work same. But again, every day there are going to be some changes into the market, because this is something, this is the market which is so much unpredictable. Of course, with the news we can predict that whether going to the market is going to be in a bearish side or in a bullish side, but still there are some unpredicted movements. So when you are starting your day, start with a small amount, then keep on raising that amount. Like what I'm trying to say, just suppose you started your day with the trade of $2, you got a 4 successful trade, make it to 2.5. You got 4 trades, boom, make it 3, again 4 positive, boom, again make it 3.5. Keep on increasing, and just suppose at one place you have reached on a level when you are taking a trade for $20 each or $30 each. If that specific trade is going to be into the negative, still you would have already collected that much profit from the market that it is not going to affect you. And the second thing, what risk management and money management says, that always try to take your trades with your profit, because what I believe, if you're not able to make some money from the market, it's completely fine for me. If nothing is coming into your pocket, that is completely fine for me, but nothing should go out of your pocket. So that is the reason I always say that money management also saying the same thing, that if you're not able to make money, it's fine. Try to take all of your trades within your profit, so your deposit amount is safe. And I'll clear it with one example also. Just suppose like I started my trading with $10 each. I took 4 trades. I was able to make a profit, and with a profitability of 80%, I was able to make somewhere around $32. Now there is a situation in my mind, I am getting all trades positive. This is my day. I have to make some big numbers. I want to increase my trading amount. Makes sense. Everything is making sense. But how much I want to increase, and how much I should increase? There is 2 questions. I want to and I should. The want thing, it will always ask you to go with the maximum. The want thing which is going to tell me that I should take a trade with $11,056. But the should thing will say, the trade, if that will go into the negative side, it should be within the profit itself. So the want thing is saying that I should go with the trade for $50, but the should be thing is saying that I should take a trade with 10 to 12 or $15. Reason, just suppose my 2 consecutive trades are negative. If $50 trades are negative, even though even single trade is going to affect my P&L like anything, it's going to make it hell like anything, because I am going to lose my $32 profit, also $18 deposit also. But second thing, if I am going to take 2 trades $15 each, both trade negative, still I have a situation where I have $2 as a profit. So you need to focus on that thing, and when your those 2 trades are into the positive side, 3 trades are into the positive side, increase the trade amount, and then keep on rotating that funds, keep on rotating that profit, and make new profits. And I'm sure that you guys are getting my point, what I'm trying to say, guys. Try to get a grip on your money management, because I have seen a lot of traders, guys. I have seen a lot of people, those who are making profit in their first half, making some negative results in their second half. Number of trades in their first half is far more than as compared to in the second half, but the effect is like hell. Like what they are making, the profit which they have made in the first half and the loss they have made in the second half, it includes all their deposit, all their profit, both of them. So we should avoid this strategy, this way of trading, because there is a term in into the market, that paralysis analysis. If we are keep on focusing on these charts, we are keep on taking trades from Asian session to London session, London session to New York session, we are keep on diving into the market, there is going to be one situation, one time into the market when we are not able to analyze these charts. We are going to get some random thoughts in our mind, we are going to get some random signals in our mind, and we are going to take some useless trades, and that is going to affect it. Even though this market is open 24 hours, this platform is open 24 hours, so many assets are available, but always try to get hold on at least 2 sessions, and then try to utilize your strategy and make some funds, make some withdrawals, enjoy that funds, because this is something like that you made some numbers, boom, $10 to $100, $100 to $500, again 500 to 0. So that is not going to make a difference. If you have earned something, withdraw it. So let's see how's our okay. So our strategies somewhere started giving us some better results, as we can see that is somewhere around 7:17 p.m. IST into the market, and market is getting a little bit stable. It's not that much stable till now, as I feel, but we can see that the strategy is giving some outputs. Okay, so let's try to open a few more trades. Guys, feel free to write anything if you have any doubts into the about this strategy, and you can also rate my consultation, my piece of information which I am sharing with you. You can rate it out of 5. 1 is the worst one, 5 is the best one. If you are finding that nothing is useful, you are not getting anything, I'm just making some random numbers, I'm just making some random trades, or you are not able to get anything, the information is just a shit, no worries guys, mention it. So I will try to improve it, because I want you to make best out of this 1 hour. So comment section is open for you guys, feel free to write. Okay, so let's see for some. Okay, so sorry guys, I was also giving a small tour about the platform. So I have already discussed about these 2 tabs. So this is the main chart where all the quotes and the candles are visible, and this is the tower where we are going to get the technical tools and everything, like those who my friends, those who are using it on their application in their mobile. So this button is going to be visible somewhere on the top, just below your balance amount, next right to your asset name. This is the payment section, deposit withdrawal verification. This is the account, which is going to show you how many accounts you have, how much funds you have. Profile section to add your number, to make changes some themes, change color themes and all these things. Amount section to add amend the amount which you want to invest. Time section to change the time, like for how long you want to execute the trade, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, so on. Risk free button, so you will be able to utilize your risk free trades. Clock to execute any future trades based on the time and the duration, at or the price is also up down to execute the trade. And this small piece of information which is the most loving information. I believe that it is saying that if I'll be taking a trade on Europe Composite Index, if the trade amount is $20 and I'm going to have a successful trade, of course I am going to make some money, and that amount is going to be $17.8. Okay, so you might be thinking that why only a couple of assets are visible on my screen. So I have put these assets in my favorites. If I remove all the these assets are visible, but what I am doing is, if there is any market news is going into the float, or if I am going to get some information about any these assets or the higher the profitability, so I just select a couple of assets. On that basis you can trade on any asset. It's not like that this strategy is going to work on specific, it is going to work for all. Okay, so let's see how this trade will go. This is the last trade which we are going to take. And guys, if you have any doubts, comment section is open, feel free to write. Even though there was a consolidation into the market, we took a trade at an incorrect time, but no worries. I will spend a couple of more minutes after this session and I will recover all those funds which I was facing as a negative, but that should be more clear for you guys, that how this strategy works and the things which we should do and which we should not do. Okay, so no more comments are there, so I believe everything is clear to you guys. You guys are getting my point, everything is sorted for you. I'm assuming the same, and those who recently joined, or like those who missed the information which I have shared about the website, so I have talked about 3 websites. The first one is Investopedia, which is going to help you with all your trading concerns, trading journey. If you want to learn about that one, you can look for price action, candle patterns, candle formation, anything. You are going to have a lot of information on there. The second 2 sites, these are for the news based trading, like if you want to get some information about the news, what is happening into the market, how you can make some extra cash on the basis on news. Then the strategies, the sites are Yahoo Finance and investing.com. So you can visit those sites, you are going to have enough information. And apart from that, this is our new channel, so guys, please feel free to subscribe it. So we will be having a huge family and we are going to talk about different strategies in future. And apart from that, those my friends, those who are looking for a Hindi session or a Urdu session, of course this is going to be the same channel, but the timing is going to be different. It's Tuesday and Thursday, the timing is going to be 7 to 8 PM IST, so feel free to join us at that time. All sessions are going to be in Hindi. And apart from that, one more useful information, guys, if you are on an expert level or on an advanced level, so there is a service which we are providing. We are also giving some Zoom sessions. During these Zoom sessions, we are going to give you one analyst, because I have a team. We are having a lot of people in that, and we are going to give you one personal analyst. He is going to conduct a one-to-one session. That is going to be a two-way communication. You do not need to write anything. You can have a straight conversation with them, and they are going to help you with all your trading concerns. They are going to teach all your strategies, all the news base and everything. And the exciting part, the exciting thing is that these services are also going to be free of cost. You do not need to pay even a single penny to me or anyone. All you just need to upgrade your status on the platform. Either it should be advanced or expert level. I'm so sorry, this is not currently available for the starters, but once you will upgrade your level, you can avail it. And in case if your contact number is not updated on the platform, please update it so we will be able to connect you. And the second thing, if your contact number is already there, but because of any reason you missed the call or you didn't receive the call, do me a favor, just drop a email to support team or a message to the chat support by stating that you need some guidance in your trading. So please raise a callback request. So when you will be talking about trading, that request will come to me and my department, we will dive into the picture and we will schedule something for you. So guys, I'm sure that this session was useful for you guys. You were able to understand all the concerns, everything, whatever is happening into the market. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and see you in the next session. Till that, keep practicing.